Ichigo fans, these are roosters. Look what they're doing. They're eating dokey, cow dokey. Look how nice they are. See? These roosters eat dokey and then they give dokey eggs. That's so cool. Aren't they beautiful? Look at them. They're so amazing. They're baby roosters. They're amazing. And see, this is like a mountain of dokey here. Cow dokey, basically. We live near a mountain of cow dokey. See, this is the cow dokey here. Right there, look. Look at this. Oh my god, look, the buffaloes. There's like buffaloes. They're baby buffaloes as well. Oh my god, look how cute they are. Look at the dokey mountain. Here's the dokey mountain. Wow, this is so beautiful. And this is like the baby who takes care of them. आपका नाम क्या है?
सोहेल।
सोहेल, तुम्हारी हैं गाबियाँ? किसकी हैं? छोटी छोटी बेबीज भी हुए हैं.
उनकी।
Look at that baby cow. Hey, look how cute he is. Look how beautiful the baby cow is. He's so beautiful. Oh my god, this is so amazing.